feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To clean your TV remote properly, first remove the batteries. Then, use a soft cloth slightly dampened with a mix of water and a mild detergent to wipe down the remote's surface. For the buttons, a cotton swab dipped in alcohol can help remove grime. Be sure to let the remote dry completely before reinserting the batteries. Regular cleaning not only improves hygiene but also ensures the remote functions properly for a longer time.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.